Yeah, yeah. Fuck waiting for state reparations, the devil pays wages. I meditate on a higher vibration. I belong to a tribe of gifted mystics who are masked in modern day attire for the duration. Planet Earth, just a quick stop, just a quick fix. Move quick, cause I see authorities have interest. Self-given autonomy, given wickedness that's hard to ingest. Inscripted in religious text. God forgives, but I got a big debt. Money's evil, but I gotta live carnal existence. Bunning big spliffs, watching Simpsons. Locks grow like Samson. The Samsung phone is a portal. Your elders will burn in hell for what they taught you. Burn with the fire that you're flinging on your raw food. Fuck bringing life, man, I kill them with the raw truth. Toxic impurities leaking through my pores. Pour liquor on the floor, smoke more zoots. My options are 9 to 5, but enough workers need cocaine in their body for the drive. More than a hobby, it's a way of life. Many gotta claim JSA to stay alive. Clocked by the all-seeing eye, it's not a godly presence. Lost with the peasants, what is my penance? Crisscrossing through Britain like checkers. Can't cure racism that's embedded, inherited hate. This game is break up my faith in this heretic state that I face. I try research on my past but without a trace. I sit staring at the stars out in outer space. Spaced out eating space cakes for the money that you earn. Pay for your grave space. Words wasted for argument's sake. Dogs bark till they're muzzled with the masking tape. I'm a modern day bard and this art I create's heavenly like the strings from a harp. While everybody else is harbouring hate. Many guys are after my space. It makes me a target, I laugh in their face. Cause they're watching me while the dark forces is on a harvest. I'm still fighting battles started by my forefathers. Live for vanity, fall harder. Satan peppers my vocab with profanities. The tongue is like a sword that I can master. So I'm not much different to your pastor. Freedom's the mission, cause wealth will perish in the pastures. Heart pierced by a winged archer, harbinger to the bingers. To watch before they end up burning in the cinders. The police can't stop me, they can only ever hinder. Satanic rituals will spin back and hit you quicker. Non-drinker won't pitch in for the picture, cause there's a figure with a pitchfork standing behind me. Every time I look into the mirror, a cop stopped me. He had a striking resemblance to Himmler. You can't fight your own nature, so the planet is